For only 895,000 pesos, naka-Subaru ka na. Punong-puno pa ng safety features. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival. 2020 Subaru Forester Eyesight 2.0 liter automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 18 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. At pagdating sa harap, LED day running light, projector headlights, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at 7 ang ending. At sa engine naman, it's a 2.0 liter boxer engine, 4-cylinder naturally aspirated automatic transmission gasoline engine. At syempre, may power to. Syempre boxer engine. Alam naman natin mga Subaru engines, matitibay yan. Magdala ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, sunroof, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard. May display dito, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, automatic transmission, drive mode selector, electronic parking brake, 2-cup holder, center console, at napaka-fresh na leather steering wheel. May mga controls rin dito, may lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, at may paddle shifter. Analog display with 31,000 kilometers on the clock only, at vanity mirror on both sides, at may shade holder na rin to. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 patang head ko. Meron siyang air vents, USB ports, at armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At syempre, Subaru, alam naman natin, naka-symmetrical all-wheel drive yan. At dahil 4 na gulong ang gumagalaw, naka 4-wheel disc brake na rin to. At sa pinakalikod, LED taillight, back camera, at power tailgate. At ayan, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is the 2020 Subaru Forester 2.0 liter Eyesight automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 895,000 pesos lang, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, best buy mo na to. Thank you guys, peace out.